Buffer problem number 9. 0.425 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 2 liters of a buffer solution where both the dihydrogen phosphate and the monohydrogen phosphate concentrations are 0.132 molars each. What's the pH before adding NaOH and after? Well, if the concentrations of both the acid and its conjugate base are equal, before you add it, the pH is the pKa, which for the dihydrogen phosphate is 7.21, end of story, which is going to show up somewhere. There it is. But after, we need to evaluate the amounts that are adding. If we add too much sodium hydroxide, that'll dominate, and you'll just have the strong base kicking around. But if you don't, it's going to lower the concentration of the dihydrogen phosphate a little bit and raise the concentration of the conjugate base a little bit, which I think is what's going to happen. Let's find out. How much did we add? Well, 0.425 grams is 0.0106 moles. But for each buffer, we have a lot more than that, 0.264 moles. So I guess the conjugate acid will go down by that much to 0.2534, and the conjugate base will go up a little bit to 2746. And there it is. That's the initial amounts that you have. So this will all react, lowering this a little bit and turning it into this. So at the end, it'll be the pH is the pKa plus the log of the A minus over the HA, which is 0.2746 over 0.2534. Boy, that's not going to change it by much. It's very close to 1. And there it is all written down. So it's only going to increase it by 0.03, and your resulting pH will be 7.24.